guys, welcome to the... This is the part where I have to... Welcome to the Fire Alarm Game Wintertime Edition. And we got a new door, and the door is hard to open and shut. So welcome to the Fire Alarm Wintertime Edition. Not feeling good. I need to sit down for a second. Lord, how mercy. That was a weak fart. So yeah, so this is in the wintertime edition, and I'm not gonna last long. See, we can hear the fire alarms now. Oh wow, it is loud. Uh-oh. Where did the phone go? Oh, shoot. It fell in the cold, and it probably broke. I don't think I set the alarm. I'll just sit here. That is loud from inside. What did I do wrong? Oh. There we go. They're all gonna sound for 10 minutes. Just gonna put this in the garage, because it got fell. The fire alarm failed, guys. They're probably gonna get annoyed with all of this. Finna have this sounding for 5 minutes and the tap 10 minutes. Wait, look. If I shut this door, you can hear the voice back. There. See? I'm gonna go see if Mom can hear all of this racket outside and see. I'm gonna go find out. I don't know if you're hearing all of this. Go see if I can hear this alarm from... Oh yeah, I definitely can hear that alarm outside. I mean, can you hear that? Well, you're gonna have to get used to it. It's a fire alarm game outside. And Dad too, he has to get used to it. See? I had to go make sure we're not getting a complaint. Let me see. Okay, I think they are. I'm gonna shut it off. Because I didn't program it correctly. Alright. I shut them off. I'm gonna bring the tablet inside so it doesn't, until I want to play it again, so it doesn't get so cold and break. Put them in here so they don't break. I don't know why I forgot to set the alarms properly. And then here's this new door, like that. So I have to push it hard.